Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SEMrush Listing Management for citation updates. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate SEMrush Listing Management for citation updates, begin by logging into your SEMrush account. Navigate to the Listing Management section from the dashboard. Click on the Set up Listing Management button. Provide your business details, including the name, address, and phone number. Make sure all information is accurate and consistent. Select the appropriate category for your business. Click on the Next button to proceed. Review your business information to ensure everything is correct. Choose the platforms where you want your listings to appear. This may include top directories and search engines. Once you've made your selections, click Next. You will be presented with a summary of your listing options. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm button. Your listing will now start processing. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once your listings are live, you can regularly check for updates. Navigate back to the Listing Management dashboard to monitor citations. Utilize SEMrush's tools to check for inaccuracies in your citations. If you find any discrepancies, follow the prompts to correct them. You can also request updates to your information on various platforms. Simply click on the relevant links provided for each directory. Monitor your listings periodically to ensure they remain current. By following these steps, you'll effectively manage your business citations with SEMrush. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.